It's another late night cooking video, and today we're making tanghulu. Do I like it? No, not really, but so far it's been failures. And we're making microwave tanghulu. That's crazy. Our Zainab loves it, and we used to make it on the stove, but then recently we saw a girl on TikTok do it and she did it on the microwave, so now we're gonna try the microwave tanghulu hack. So let's get started. Obviously it's not me cooking, obviously it's Chef Zainab in the house. I'm gonna help by cutting some strawberries. Don't know if that's much help, but it's something. And I like to pretend sometimes that I'm useful, but in reality I'm not really that useful. What you're gonna do is you get a knife, get a strawberry, you get your knife, and you cut.
Oh, what are you doing?
On the crevices. Why am I cutting the strawberry? Why am I cutting the strawberry?
Cut the cameras.
Why did I do that?
You dumb.
Why did I do that? Maybe hold the camera straight, like it's all crooked.
Because you're crooked, and so is your brain. Like, why would you do that?
Sorry, let's try it again. Do I have to wash these?
I'm too lazy.
Okay.
Because you have to dry them off really well for tanghulu.
We're eating dirty strawberries.
Yeah.
We just cut. That's all you do, guys. How many do I cut? Like 3?
I would do like 4.
Is it okay if it's like mushy like this?
Yeah, I think those are the best.
Okay. Okay, then you get some toothpicks. Some toothpicks like this. Look what she's doing. She's literally munching. She's literally munching on the broken tanghulus. Turn your little strawberry around and you stick it in there. Last time she left sugar in a cup, and then my mom got super mad. She was like, why the hell is there sugar in here? And then my mom didn't even know she made tanghulu, but she knew. She's not even waiting for me. Like, she's just like, wait. Now we're putting sugar. How much sugar do we put?
I forgot. You messed me up.
How did I mess you up? So 4 spoons is 11, 30. How much should I microwave it for? 30 seconds. I'm gonna try the messed up ones we made, just for the video.
You're gonna get stuck in your teeth.
I didn't even bite it, it's stuck in my tooth. Oh my god, it's done!
No, it's not.
Oh, how many times do I have to do it?
Until it gets bubbly. You just have to do it in 30-second increments.
Let me see how it looks. I went to this place in my city, it's called Chat Time, and oh my god, I was so hungry starving, and this is what I got. I got popcorn Japanese chicken with spicy mayo and rice, and this is very spicy for some reason. It was really good. I just want to let y'all know that it was really good. Are you okay? Did I talk too much?
No.
It's looking like this right now. Pea. The third time, just darker pea. While that cooks, I'm gonna go make myself some tea. My favorite tea ever. Is that good? Do you see it boiling?
It's not done.
It's not done? She said I need to do it one more time. Call me disgusting, but I'm going to eat with my hands. You dip it in the spicy mayo. And then just get rice. Mmm. 5th time.
Oh, she's going fast. She's going fast. You have to go fast. She put it in the water. She put it in the ice. Do y'all hear that? Do y'all hear that?
It sounds like it's burning. She puts it in there. And then she puts it in the ice. That one's done? Okay, let's taste this. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Cheers.
That's my best one yet. No stick.
Dude, this time it didn't stick in my teeth.
I don't know, me personally, I'm going in for seconds. ASMR. Ooh, that was not cute.
That was surprisingly good. Should I take another bite?
You can take a bite, leave me the last part.
Be quick with it.
Guys, I perfected tanghulu. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. That's how it's actually supposed to taste like.
That was perfect.
I know last time I made it in the microwave and it was my first time. It ended up pretty good, but it was still a little bit chewy. This time, oh, it's perfect.
Dude, that was actually like, that was perfect. Like, actually, I've never, like, she's made it a lot. This is probably like the 10th time she's made it. And every time she makes it, I never eat it because it always gets stuck in my tooth. But wow, that was perfect. But now back to this. Ooh. If you don't eat with your hand, you're not eating right. Let's save the rest for tomorrow. I want another tanghulu now. Like, damn. This cup is so hot. It's like burning hot. And the sugar's not moving, like it's frozen now. Anyways, thank you so much for watching another one of Sarah's midnight late snacks. I've been midnight snacking a lot and I wonder why I have acne. Bye-bye.